In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best dog gate. We made this list based on our personal opinion, 40 hours of research, 38 models considered and 4 expert interviewed. Before make our final decision we test them through our own procedure. If you want more products information be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At our list number 5. Carlson Pet Products Expandable Gate for Dogs. At only 18 inches high, the Lil Tuffy expandable gate with small pet door should be fairly easy to step over. Like the Regalo and Summer Infant, however, it is basically designed for small and young kids. It does come with a small door for small pets, though. The Lil Tuffy fits well into 26 up to 42-inch wide spaces, so it should be perfect for narrower hallways. It has rubber bumpers so that its steel frame and feet will not scratch your floor, while its pressure mount system eliminates drilling for mounts on your wall. The lock mechanism is also relatively easy to operate, although it can be tough for kids to crack. Its simple design and very friendly price make the Lil Tuffy a great alternative to other dog gates. At number 4. Evenflo Tall Pressure Mount Dog Gate. Evenflo is best known for its baby products. It is perhaps for this reason that its position and lockwood gate is best classified as a kiddie safety gate than it is a pet gate. The good news is that the position and lock can also be used to safeguard your pet, as it's made of heavy-duty materials and comes with a quick-release locking bar for added security. There is no fuss when it comes to installation either, as the system comes with pressure mounting mechanisms. It is perfect for spaces between 26 and 42 inches wide. Number 3. Summer Infant Extra Tall Dog Gate. The Summer Infant Multi-Use Deco Tall Walk-Through Gate may have been designed specifically for young kids, but its nifty design can also be invaluable for safeguarding your pet hound. It comes with a pressure mount system that eliminates the need for any tools to mount it on your walls, although you can still mount them permanently if you wish. The arched walk-through center gate is wide enough for easy passage, and with its auto-close feature, there's no looking back just to make sure it's closed. There's also a removable door stopper in case you do decide to put it at the top of your stairs, so it won't open straight down. The Summer Infant fits spaces that are as narrow as 28 inches to as wide as 48 inches. And since it is about 3 feet tall, don't ever think you can step over it. Number 2. Karlsson Extra Wide Walk-Through Dog Gate. Dogs, like most pets, are pretty unpredictable. You will never guess their next moves. Even the most behaved and well-trained dog will crawl into unrestricted areas. That's why the use of the best dog gates are required to protect Fluffy from unwanted rooms and areas in your home. The Carlson Extra Wide Walk-Through Pet Gate will ensure that your furry mate stays right where they are supposed to. With an expandable opening of between 29 to 36.5 inches wide, it sits perfectly onto the stairways that often pose risk. As for usability, it is pretty much easy to set up with no tools required. And once laid out, the small pet door allows Fluffy to easily pass through its own personal door. When not in use, the gate can then be dismantled for easy storage. Number 1. Regalo Adjustable Dog Gate. It is easy to understand why Regalo's 4-in-1 super wide adjustable gate and play yard is preferred by many parents and pet lovers alike. While it is intended primarily for safeguarding young children, it is inadvertent that its usefulness has been extended well into the safeguarding of dogs. And why not? It's composed of 8 24-inch panels that can be connected whichever and however you want, more like playing with Lego bricks. When fully extended, it spans a full 16 feet. As such, you can actually ditch the idea of getting dog playpens, as the Regalo already comes with 4 different functionalities, including a really wide and sturdy gate, a dog playpen, and a barrier for your stairs and fireplace. If you do decide to make it a permanent gate inside your home, it can also be easily mounted onto your walls. Besides, the walk-through gate is wide enough for everyday transit. That's the wrap of best dog gates. Check more user feedback by following description box link. If you found something is missing in this video, leave your comments. Our research team will work their best to give you a fair product review.